Hi students, welcome to session. I am Dr. K. Varadaraj Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, AIML, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In our previous 3 classes, we discussed about how to create node in circular double linked list, how to insert new node in circular double linked list, and how to display elements in circular double linked list. In this class, we are going to learn how to delete a node from circular double linked list. So, overview of the session. In this session, we are going to learn delete function. When we try to delete a node from circular double linked list, we get 3 cases. So, first case is delete a node at the beginning of the list. Second one is delete a node at a specified position in the list. And third one, delete a node at the end of the list. The first function is you are trying to delete a node that is present as a beginning of the list. Second function, you are trying to delete a node that is middle of the list. And third one is you are trying to delete a node at the end of the list. Outcome of this lecture, at the end of this lecture, you all are understand how to delete a node from circular double linked list in C programming. So, first we see how to delete a node that is present as beginning of the list. So, for that we define a function. The function name is delete from beginning. The purpose of the function is, here we are trying to delete the first node in the circular double linked list. So, let us assume, so this is the list, this is the circular double linked list. Here we have head and tail. Now you identify what is the head and what is the tail. So, for this circular single linked list, the head is 101, the tail is last node address, that is 501. Okay. Now we call the function delete from beginning. Now after execution of all these instructions, this first node will be deleted. Now where we are going to modify the last node here, I am going to update with the 201, and the first node is deleted, so we are going to update the head also. The first node is a previous address is last node, that is 501, so we are going to update in this place, and we are going to update the head also. So, 3 places we are going to update when we are trying to delete the first node in the circular double linked list. Now we execute these instructions. What is the head here? Head is 101, so tail is 501. Now you check head equals to null. The purpose is you are going to check that the list is empty or not. If it is empty, we print the message list is empty, otherwise we move to here. Now in this case, what is the head? Head is 101, equals to null is false. So we move to here. Here I am taking one variable temp. So temp equals to head. What is the head here? 101. Now I check temp arrow next equals to temp. The purpose of this condition is, if there is only one node in the circular double linked list, then the temp arrow next equals to temp now. Why? Because the first node next one indicates the same node address. So what is the temp here? So temp is 101, 101 arrow next is 201. So 201 equals to temp, that is 101 is false. So we move to here. Here the purpose of this function is, let us assume there is only one node. Let us assume this is the data, this is the address. Now 101 this, so temp arrow next equals to temp. In this case both are 101. So this node will be deleted and make the head and tail equals to null here. Okay. Now in this case it is false, so we go to else part. Now temp arrow previous. Here what is the temp? So temp is, so in this case the temp is 101. So 101 arrow previous. Here consider 101. 101 arrow previous is 501. Now 501 arrow next means this is the place, equals to temp arrow next. What is the temp here? 101 arrow next is 201. In this place of 101 we are going to store 201. Now, so this is the link. Okay. Next temp arrow, next arrow previous. What is the temp arrow next? 201 arrow previous means this is the place equals to temp arrow previous. What is the temp here? 101. 101 arrow previous is 501. So in this place it is replaced with 501. Now this is the link. And update head. So head equals to temp arrow next 101 arrow next is 201. So head is updated with 201. That's it. Now the first node is deleted from the circular double linked list. What is the head? 201. This is the first node. And tail is 501. What is the circular double linked list property? The last node next part indicates first node 201, that is head, and first node previous part indicates last node, that is 501. Okay. So now we see delete at middle function. So delete at middle, head comma 2 here. What is the head for this circular double linked list? Head equals to 101, tail equals to 501. Okay, here I give the position as a 2. So let us consider this position as a 4 for better understanding, and consider this position as a 4. What is the purpose here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to delete this fourth node from the list. Now we see how. So what is the head here? The head is 101, position is 4. Now you are going to check the position. If it is less than or equals to 0, then we print it is invalid position, and if head equals to null, then we are going to print the list is empty. In this case, what is the head? Head is 101 equals to null, that is false. So we move to here. Here I am taking one current. What is the current? Current equals to head now. What is the head? 101. And I am taking one position, CP equals to 1 now. Here we are going to check two conditions. One is this current position, 1 less than position. What is the position here? 4. Now after this loop, the current will indicate this 401. Okay. So that is a logic here. If I want to delete the 10th node in the list, then the current position will indicate the 10th node after this while loop. Okay. So now 1 less than 4 is true. And what is the current arrow next here? What is the current? 101 arrow next is 201. 201 not equals to head, that is 101. So both the conditions are true. Enter into this block and current equals to current arrow next. So now the current is 201. So current position plus plus, so it is 2 now. Again you apply the same algorithm. So 2 less than 4 is true. So 201 arrow next is 301 not equals to 101, true. So again update the current with current arrow next. 201 arrow next is 301 and the current position is 3 now. Now again 3 less than 4 is true and 301 arrow next is 401 not equals to 101. Both the conditions are true. So again update current equals to current arrow next. What is the 301 arrow next? That is 401 and update the CP 4. Now 4 less than 4 will be false. Now if you observe, here I am trying to delete fourth node. Now the current indicates the fourth node. Okay. Now we move to here. Here we are going to check the current position. What is the position? 4 less than 4. If this condition is true, in this case, then it displays that position exceeds the length of the list. So for example, if I enter, there is only 5 nodes present in the list, but I enter the position equals to 7. In this case, we are going to print this message. Okay. But in this case, it is false. So we move to here. So current arrow previous. What is the current? 401 arrow previous. So 401 arrow previous is 301. So 301 arrow next. So 301 arrow next is this place equals to current arrow next, that is 501. So this is the link. Next one, So current arrow next. What is the current arrow next? 501 arrow previous. This is the position. Equals to current arrow previous, that is 301. So this is the link. So now current will be deleted from the memory. So this will be deleted. Now if you observe, after 301 next address is 501. For 501 the previous is 301. Now this node will be deleted from memory. So next function is delete at end. So for this we are going to give head and tail as a input. So for this circular double linked list, the head is 101, tail equals to 401, last node address. Okay, so we call the function deleted function. So what is the head here? 101, tail equals to 401. First we are going to check the head equals to null. In this case, what is the head? 101 equals to null is false. So we move to here. Here we are taking one current. So current equals to initialized with tail. What is the tail? 401. Here where we are going to update? So this 401 we are going to update in first node. Now if we delete this, then the 501 is the last node. Now the 501 will be updated in the first node previous address. What is the purpose of this code? If there is only one node present in the list, then the previous and the current both are the same. So one node will be deleted and I make head equals to null and tail equals to null here. Okay. So else, current arrow, previous arrow next. What is the current here? The current is 401. Arrow previous is 501. 501 arrow next. So 501 arrow next is, this is the place, equals to head now. What is the head? 101. Now this is the link. And head arrow previous. What is the head? So 101 arrow previous. So 101 arrow previous is, this is the part, equals to current arrow previous. So 401 arrow previous is 501. So this is the 501. So this is the link. And tail equals to current arrow previous and update the tail. So what is the tail now? Current arrow previous, that is 401, arrow previous is 501. Now that's it. Now what is the head? 101. So 101 previous address is 501. And what is the last node? 501. So 501 next address is 101. That's it. Now you are going to delete the current. So this node will be deleted from memory. This is how we are going to delete the last node in the circular double linked list. Summary of this session. In this session we discussed about delete function. In delete we have three cases. One is delete at beginning, delete at middle and delete at end. So delete at begin means delete the first node in the list, and delete at middle means deletes a node at a specified position in the list, and delete at end means it deletes the last node in the list. If you have any doubts, so place your doubts in the comment section. In next class we are going to discuss about the implementation of circular double linked list. Thank you.